AI warfare. A terrifying reality, not a distant future. The rise of artificial intelligence in modern warfare is no longer theoretical. As detailed in Katrina Manson's Project Maven, AI-driven military operations are already underway, with nations like Israel, the US, and Ukraine actively deploying these technologies. The book isn't about the potential of AI in war, but its current state, a present reality of autonomous targeting, lethal drones, and a growing reliance on algorithms in life-or-death decisions. The Pentagon's hidden AI arsenal, the U.S. Department of Defense has over 800 AI projects, many operating in secrecy. Project Maven, launched in 2017, aimed to process the overwhelming volume of data collected by drones. Early iterations were flawed, with algorithms misidentifying objects, like mistaking school buses for targets, due to the inherent limitations of machine learning. However, the core idea remained: to remove human inefficiency from warfare. The logic is brutal but clear. Humans are fallible, tired, and prone to error. AI, proponents argue, could clear the fog of war and enable faster, more decisive action. The ultimate goal isn't just improved intelligence, but fully autonomous systems capable of identifying, tracking, and eliminating targets without human intervention. One insider bluntly stated, "We kill the wrong people all the time. A machine can't be worse than a human." From border security to lethal autonomy, Maven has spread beyond traditional battlefields, now used at border crossings and in counter-narcotics operations. This raises a disturbing question. If a state possesses tools for mass surveillance and automated killing, will it resist using them against its own citizens? The trend is toward greater autonomy. Systems like Goalkeeper drones and Whiplash naval drones are designed to find and engage targets independently, a step toward removing human oversight entirely. The historical precedent is grim. As Manson notes, humans have never created a weapon and then refused to use it. The chilling anecdote of a job applicant who openly stated their desire to reduce the non-American population and was still hired highlights the moral compromises already at play. The human factor, a diminishing role. The book also reminds us of the human element in decision-making. The story of Stanislav Petrov, the Soviet officer who averted nuclear war in 1983 by overriding a faulty alarm, underscores the value of human judgment. Would an AI-driven system have made the same call? The answer is far from certain. Project Maven exposes not just the technology, but the bureaucratic inertia and the willingness of Silicon Valley to pursue contracts regardless of ethical concerns. The Pentagon's secrecy ensures that the full extent of these technologies will remain hidden for years, making oversight and accountability even more difficult. The core takeaway is stark. AI is already reshaping warfare, making it impersonal, faster, and potentially far more reckless. The question is if this will happen, but how to ensure these tools are wielded responsibly, a challenge the book suggests we are failing to meet.